See this one, I'll show you exercise. See this exercise I gave you for multiplication, division and multiplication. This I think we have done from terminal exercise, this one. So this you have not submitted. Complete it, because division and multiplication I saw in the last class also you were not getting correct answer. Okay, is it clear, Sakleen? So do this, and this is important because this is just the basic of algebra, and now we are going to study on based on that. So you should know now addition, subtraction of numbers, division of numbers. Same way you should know the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of this thing, algebraic expressions. Okay, Ahmed, can you hear me, Ahmed? Ahmed, are you there in the class? Because you have also not submitted this. Those who have joined, please switch on your cameras so that I can start with my class. Ahmed, switch on your camera. Farhana, are you back? Mozam, you're fine now?
Yes, ma'am.
Ahmed, are you there? Okay. Switch on your camera, Ahmed. I need to speak to you. Okay, last class we have done. Ahmed, I'm waiting. Yeah, I already spoke to Sakleen about the homework. Are you there, Ahmed? Yeah. See, last class I gave you, not last class, I think last to last week, I have given you homework of addition, subtraction and multiplication, division of polynomials, right? You remember that, Emma? So I have not received your homework. I'll show you which homework I'm talking about. This one. Okay, so this was the last homework, and the previous homework also you have not submitted. So this one is very important. This is the last one, multiplication and division. And before that also we had and I sent you again this one, addition and subtraction, this exercise. See, because Abdullah has submitted this one. This one. So this exercise and the last one, these two exercises you have not completed. So complete this, because today we are going to start with a new chapter. Okay, is it clear? Ahmed and Sakleen, and I think Farhana, last exercise you have to submit also. Okay, the last exercise. So just complete your pending work, because now we are going to start with the next chapter, which is special products and factorization. Okay, you know factorization. Okay, what is factorization of normal numbers? Can you explain, Mudabbir? What is factorization of normal numbers when you do?
I'm finding the factors.
You take the
I'm finding the factors.
Finding the factors, yes. Yes, how do you find the factors? You find the factor pairs, right? For any particular number, for example, if I say find the factors of 6, what will you find out? The factors means the numbers which divides 6 exactly, right? So like 2, 1, 6, then 2, 3, like this. You find the factor pair like this. So now in algebraic expressions also you will have to find out the factors of algebraic expressions. Okay, so that we'll do later. Before that, we'll do some special products. How to find the product of algebraic polynomials? You already know how do we find out the product. You know that in the previous chapter we have done that now. X plus y into x square plus 2x plus 3y. So two polynomial, how do we multiply? This thing is clear to you all? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll now see how do we find out the special products. Now special products, I'll just okay. Suppose I have two binomials. Okay, a plus b into a plus b. These are two binomials. Can you multiply these two? Because now you know how to multiply. Give me the answer for this. What is the answer? A plus b into a plus b. You have to give me the answer. I'm waiting. A square plus b square is wrong, Saklin. You have to solve it. Solve it and find it out.
Ma'am,
Nobody.
a plus b whole square.
That is a plus b whole square, correct. But what is the answer? Multiply a plus b into a plus b. This is a plus b whole square because when you multiply 2 into 2, it is 2 square, correct? Now a plus b into a plus b, how do we find out in multiplication? This into this. You remember how we found out in the last class? A square plus b square, ab square, no Saklin. Little bit mistake is there in the third term. Find out now, multiply a, how I have taught you the multiplication of polynomial. Nobody remembers. Ahmed, have you finished your breakfast? Can we do this maths now? Do it with your right hand, eat it with your left hand. Now do it like that. Solve it in the notebook. A plus b into a plus b. Farhana, have you joined? Anybody has got the answer? Saklin, try again. A square plus b square. Two terms are there. Third term is wrong. So find out the third term. How do you multiply? A into a plus b. Okay. Anybody has got or not? Mudappir, did you get? So you have to be really quick. Huh? A plus b into a plus b. Like this you have to do. A into a square, a into b, ab plus b into a, again ab, and plus b into b, b square. How much you are getting? A square ab plus ab is 2ab plus b square. This is your answer. This I was asking you. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So what is a plus b whole square? Is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. How do we solve it? How do we solve it in geometrically? Suppose you have a square of length a plus b. Okay. So this is my this side is a till here. Okay. And this is b. So what is the total side, total length of the square? What is the length of the square, Muazzam?
Ma'am, A plus B.
Yes, so total length is a plus b, because this is a square of a length and this is a b length. Okay. Now what is this length? This one is this till here is again a, and this one is b. Okay. So if I tell you to find out the area of this square, what is the area of the square, Ahmad? What is the area of the square? It becomes very difficult to teach. Half of the students are not attending, only half of the students.
Ma'am, it will be A plus B into A plus B.
Yes. It is a plus b into a plus b. So you have area of square is equal to a plus b into a plus b. So that is actually a plus b ka whole square. Okay. That we have calculated mathematically. Now we are calculating it geometrically. So we are proving it through geometry, how this a plus b square is a plus b whole square comes out to be a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. So area is length into length, correct? So that is why you told a plus b into a plus b, correct, Farhana? So now if I tell you to find out the area of the whole square, it can be area of this square plus area of this rectangle plus area of this rectangle plus area of this last square. Is it fine? If I tell you to find out a plus b whole square, this is another method to find area of this small part, area of this small part, then all the four parts area you add, you will get the area of whole a plus b ka whole square. Do you agree or not? Yes. Okay. So now what is the area of this small square? What is the area of this one number? One number to I'm naming it. What is the area of one number?
A square.
Yes. So area of one number is a square. Now what is the area of this two number? This is a rectangle. Area of rectangle is how much? What is the formula for area of rectangle?
Ma'am, AB.
L into B.
L into B. So here it will be A into B. So here it is AB. Now area of this three number. What is the area of this three number?
AB.
This is B and this is A. So what is it?
AB, ma'am.
Again AB, yes. And what is the area of this one? This is B, this is also B, this is B and this is B. So what
B
is
square.
it? Is B square. So how much you are getting? Again, you are getting the same thing, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is the formula for a plus b whole square, which we are doing special product. Now, whenever it is asked, what is a plus b whole square, you don't have to multiply and find out, you have to learn it. Okay. Because this is like we learn formulas. Na? So same way you have to learn it, because it will consume time in solving it. It's better to learn it so that you solve it directly. Now, where do we use these things? Now, suppose if you have to find out area of, suppose, not area of, suppose you have to find 105 ka square, okay? How will you find 105 ka square? You will multiply 105 into 105 and it will take some time. So better to use a plus b whole square formula. And how do we use it? We will make it 100 plus 5 whole square, and you will use this formula. Here a is 100 and b is 5. So first term ka 100 ka square. So make it 100 square. Then 2 into 100 into second term is 5, 2ab. And third term ka square is 5 square. So now you can solve it. 4 zeros. then 5 twos are 10, 3 zeros, and then 5 square is 25. So your answer is 11025. You don't need to multiply a big number. You can just directly use a plus b whole square formula and you can find out any big number ka whole square. Okay. In terms of, but why do we do this? So that it is in terms of hundreds or thousands, it becomes easier to solve. If you have any number closer to 100,000, 3,000, 4,000, whatever zeros, okay, so you can find the whole square using the formula of a plus b whole square. So you can do this, and that is why this formula is taught. A square, suppose sometimes you forget also, even if you forget, you just multiply and find out. But it is a very important formula. You need to remember, this is the first one. When you're doing special products, you have many formula, cube formula also. 10, 15 formulas are there, but slowly we'll be learning it one by one. So the first one formula is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. The way to remember is simple. A plus b whole square. So first term ka square, second term ka square, and 2 into multiply both the terms, a into b. Is it clear? So it is easy to remember. You can learn and remember it also. Okay. Now similarly, you have another. Okay, I'll share. This we have already done. I told you how to derive it. A plus b whole square is a plus b into a plus b. You will get this answer. Okay. And also the geometrical verification also I have told you how do we do it. Take a square of length a plus b and then solve it. Find out the complete area of the square, add all the figures ka area, and you will get the same value. So this is your first identity. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Now, second formula is a minus b whole square. Again, if you find out a minus b whole square, similar formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square. The difference is when a minus b is there, you will have a minus 2ab. Otherwise, a square and b square will always be positive. Okay, so this is the way to learn it. If it is a plus b whole square, all the terms are plus. If it is a minus b whole square, then you have a minus 2ab. And how do we prove it? We take a square of length a and take a b length chota sa and just take it. The small square is what? A minus b. So find out the area of this small square, a minus b ka whole square. How do we find out? Then again you find whole ka area minus this area and this area. You will get, sorry, minus this area, you will get, sorry, I reversed it. You take the whole square ka area and minus, subtract this one, and this one, you will get this one, a minus b whole square. Is it clear? If I take the whole a minus b, a square may say you subtract this one, which is b into a minus a minus b, then you subtract b square minus b square, and then you subtract this one, you will get this area. Okay, so this is done in your book also. You don't require to solve it, you just have to remember the formula, but you should know the geometrical verification also. Okay, so bigger square minus area of these three. You can do this in your homework, how to derive it. Okay, I have shown you the first part. You can do this at home. How do we subtract? First wala area may say ye and ye figure you have to subtract, so that you get a minus b ka whole square. And you should get this one, a square minus 2ab plus b square, after solving it. So we have how many formulas done? Two formula, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Now one more thing is there. Okay. Just write down in your notebook the formulas a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. Both the formula just write down in your notebook. You have to write like this: a plus b correct? Have you written this? Now add equation 1 and equation 2. Add it. Both the side you will add. Okay. So LHS, add it. LHS, so I will write a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Okay. This is your left hand side, which is called as LHS. Okay. Now what is there on RHS? Ahmad, what is the answer on RHS? Right hand side. When you add equation 1 and equation 2, what do you get?
2a square
Yes. Then?
plus 2b square.
Yes. So 2a square plus 2b square, or you can write it as 2 into a square plus b square. Okay. Now, if you subtract, again you write down the formula and subtract it. What will happen? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. And the second one is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, a square plus b square will be plus only. Now, if you subtract, what will happen? Subtraction means sign change. Yeah, Farhana, what did you get?
For AB.
Ma'am, 4AB,
Yes, only 4.
only 4AB.
Yes. So this formula and this formula, these are deductions of the main identity a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. So two deductions we have taken, एक तो add करके and एक तो subtract करके. So when you subtract, the answer is 4ab, and when you add, the answer is 2 into a square plus b square. Okay, so basically two main formula, two main identities we have done, and two deductions we have done. Okay, is it clear? So now coming back to the slide again. So these were our deductions. A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2 into a square plus b square. And the next one is when you subtract these two, you will get 4ab. Okay. Now, one more important formula that we'll be using is a plus b into a minus b. Multiply it, you will get a square minus b square. Okay, just all of you multiply. See, are you getting a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. All of you multiply. Did you get it? Anyone has got a square minus b square? Abdullah, you're not doing? Not got yet?
Ma'am, Ma'am,
Yes.
I got a square minus b square.
Square. So mainly what happens, minus AB and plus AB gets cancelled out and you get A square minus B square. This is again your geometrical interpretation. You just go through it. I'll be sending you the link. It's just geometry, like I explained you the first part. Same way all the formula you can prove. Okay? Geometrically also. But the thing is that you have to remember this formula, A square minus B square. Okay. Now the next formula is x plus A into x plus B. Just multiply x plus A into x plus B. And give me the answer. X plus A into x plus B. Give me the answer. Okay, give me x plus A into x plus B ka answer. You have to be a little quick so that and you
Ma'am,
yeah.
ma'am, the answer is x square plus bx plus ax plus ab.
Yes. So this I can write it down because two terms are there with x. So I can write it taking x common. Okay. So I can write it a plus b into x. Is it clear, Farhana? I can take out
Yes.
x common in both the terms. I have x common. So I have taken out x common and a and b addition. So a plus b is equal to x. So this is the correct answer, x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay. Anyone else has got this answer?
Yes, ma'am. I also got it.
Okay. Who else has got Muazzam, Mudabbir, Ahmad?
I
Anyone
also
got this
got it.
answer? Okay. So what? So how do you remember this? Now x plus a plus x plus b. ये वाला use कब करेंगे? Whenever you have a formula like अगर तुम्हारे पास है x plus 2 into अगर इस तरीके का कोई question है, if you have this type of question, so you will directly use this formula. First term is x square, second term is a plus b, which is 5. Okay, so 5x, and third term is multiply a into b, so which is 3 2s are 6. So directly you can write down the answer without multiplying, doing this step, and you can write down the answer. So here we use like this. But suppose ये एक general formula, x plus a into x plus b is equal to, how do we remember? First step is x square, second is addition of the second terms and x, and third is multiplication of both the terms. Okay. Now suppose अगर इसमें plus और minus separate हो गया, suppose I have x minus a into x plus b, then take the sign, इसमें क्या ले लेंगे? x square plus क्या है? Bracket में b is with plus sign, so I'll write b minus a into x, and minus a into plus b will be minus ab. So this formula changes to this. Now if I have x plus a and x minus b, same pattern में, just tell me, Farhana, you tell me, सेम पैटर्न में व्हाट विल आई राइट? फर्स्ट टर्म तो एक्स स्क्वायर होगा, सेकेंड टर्म टेल मी, ब्रैकेट में a is plus and b is minus, so what will I write in the bracket?
A minus b.
A minus b into x, and here what will I write? The third term, plus a into minus b.
A.
Yes, Abdullah?
Ma'am, minus AB.
Yes, minus ab, because एक plus है एक minus है, तो you will get a minus ab. Okay. हाँ. So suppose अभी दोनों ही minus है. When both the terms are minus, then what will happen? x minus a minus, अभी कोई बता सकता है? Anyone can tell me? Mozam, you tell me. First term तो x square होगा. Second term
x minus
x is there outside. Bracket में क्या होगा?
minus a minus b.
b.
Correct. Minus a minus b. So I'll put a minus बाहर में because दोनों के पास minus sign है. So I can take out minus common outside. Okay. So minus a minus b, so that minus अंदर जाएगा तो minus a minus b होगा. I have taken it outside. And what will be the third term, Abdullah? Minus a into minus b. What is it?
It will be plus AB.
So plus AB. Okay. So एक ही formula say you have got four formulas. So depending on, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, depending on the sign, you have to remember. What you have to remember mainly is second term is addition of the second terms of both the binomial, and third term is multiplication. Take it with sign. So plus रहेगा तो दोनों प्लस. इफ वन इज माइनस यू हैव b minus a and यहाँ पे minus ab, and if you have this one is minus so a minus b and यहाँ पे again minus ab, but both the minus होगा तो second term is minus and third term will be plus. So just directly करने के लिए you have to remember these formula. तो एक भी formula, if you learn this formula, it is easy to remember this, so because it is based on this formula only. So what is x plus a into x plus b? X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay. So now just tell me how many formula we have done. Tell me. Saklin, what is the first formula? Saklin to chat में. Who will tell? Farhana, what is the first formula that we learned?
A plus b square.
Whole square. Acha,
Whole
one
square,
thing you
yeah.
have to see, remember, a plus b square, if you're saying it is this, a plus b square is this. Okay, but this we have not done. We are doing a plus b whole square, means the whole, the bracket you have to put. So what is it, Farhana? A plus b whole square, what is the value?
A square plus 2ab plus b square.
Yes, b square. Okay. Mudabbir, what is the next formula that we did?
A minus B whole square.
Yes, a minus b whole square. What is the value?
A square minus AB plus B square.
Minus 2ab. Okay, 2 is also there. You have to remember that. Minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, Abdullah, what is the third formula that we did?
Ma'am, x plus a
No,
square.
missed. One more is there, a plus b and a minus b. You remember that? A plus b into
And
a.
a minus b.
What is the value?
Yes. Ma'am,
Only two terms are there.
a square.
Yes. Farhana, do you remember?
A square minus b square.
Yes, a square minus b square. Okay. Mozam, what is the last formula that we did?
X plus a into x plus b
Yes.
is equal to x square plus ab into x plus ab.
No, plus a plus b into x. Okay. Plus ab. Both is not AB, huh? This is summation and this is multiplication. Okay, so mainly we have done these four special products and we'll be doing questions based on this. Okay, so you have to see kahan pe x, and wherever we are using the formula, you have to write using a plus b whole square equal to, you have to write always, huh? Because the examiner needs to know which formula you have used. Okay, so you have to write using this and then you will apply. You're applying this formula and then you will use it in the question. Okay, so whatever step you are using, you have to write it that by using this formula or by using this one or whichever we are using, you will use and write that by using this formula we get this value. Okay, so you will understand when we do questions. So let us do questions from the exercise only. This we have already done. all the four formula. This is your question. Now see. First question. Abdullah, tell me which identity we'll use. In first question, which identity we'll use?
Ma'am, a plus b whole square.
Yes. So how do we do it? See, how do we solve these questions? When you are given 2a plus 3b whole square, okay, you will write using, you have to write using a, or in all questions you have to write, so that you have this habit of writing the formula always. And इससे क्या होता है, you will remember the identities also, you will not forget it. Using this, now using this, when I say after this, instead of a I have 2a, so I will write 2a plus 3b ka whole square is equal to 2a ka square, okay, first term ka square, then you have 2 into first term which is 2a into second term which is 3b, and the last term is 3b ka whole square. Like this you have to write first, okay. According to this formula we'll write and then we'll solve. What is 2a ka square? 4a square. What is this? 2 into 2 into 3. 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12 into a into b, and the last term is 3 3s are 9, b square. So this is your answer. You cannot solve it further. So this is your answer for the first question. Okay. Okay. Now do the second question. Which formula we, now do it in your notebook and give me the answer. Which formula we'll use for second question? Ahmad, can you tell me which formula we'll use for second question?
We'll use the second formula.
What is it? The name of the formula? A plus b, a minus b, a square
X
minus...
x plus a
No,
times.
No. 3 by 2a minus 6b. Which formula will use? A plus b or a minus b? This is minus, no?
No, a plus b. A minus b.
A minus b whole square formula you have to say. Okay. So apply this formula and give me the answer. What will be the answer? Anyone has found out? Second question is, put a bracket always when you are doing square. Minus 2 into... If this step is not clear, please ask what is not clear in this step, so that... Not got, see, I have reached to the answer. Nobody has got the answer. Farhana, what is 3 by 2 a ka whole square? 3 by 2 a square, what is it? Tell me 3 by 2 a. Anyone who has done it?
Ma'am, 9 upon 4 a square.
Yes, 9 by 4 a square. What is the second term? Muazzam, second term. Solve the second term here.
It will be minus 6 upon 2a.
Ma'am,
6 to me hoga.
9 into AB.
How much you told? 9.
9.
See, 2 और 2 तो cancel होएगा ना. This 2 and 2 ऊपर नीचे gets cancel out.
18 AB.
Yes. 18 AB. Ahmad, last part, 6b whole square. What is it? Square you have to do. 6 का square and b का square.
36b.
36b square. b is also in square. So this is your answer. Okay. Now third part. Farhana, tell me which formula we'll use in third question. 3x plus y and 3x minus y.
X plus A into X plus B.
But no. This is C na. Same term A.
Yes, ma'am. A plus B into A minus B.
Yes, A plus B into A minus B. So what is the formula? A plus B, A minus B ka formula. You remember?
Is equal to A square minus B square.
Yes. So using this formula, A square minus B square, you will use in this question. So find out the answer. This is simpler. You don't have three terms over here. 3x is A over here and y is B is y. Mudabbir, what is the answer? Just have to solve it. Tell me. 3x square is how much?
9x square
9x square
minus y square.
Yes. So this is your answer, 9x square minus y square. Just apply the formula and do it. Now question number 4, Muazzam, which formula will use?
Ma'am, we'll use the formula x. Ma'am, x plus A into x plus B.
Yes, you will use the same formula, x plus a into x plus b. Now use it, x plus a into x plus b. Do you remember the formula? What is it, Muazzam? First term is x square. Second term is?
Ma'am, second term is A plus B into x.
And third term is multiplication.
AB.
Yeah. So now use it. Here a is 9 and b is 3. What is the answer, Abdullah? Apply the formula and give me. Bracket mein what will I write? Tell me. In the middle bracket. This is this and this is this.
Ma'am, 12, ma'am.
Yes. So you will write 9 plus 3. And what is the last term? Nine into 3. What is the last term? 27. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. Question number 5. Saklain, which formula will use, Saklain? Question number 5 mein. A plus 15, A minus 7. Here you have a different term, here you have a different term, but these two terms are same. So, इस pattern पे formula लगने वाला है. Okay. So, which formula? Okay, Saklain has written in chat. Saklain, did you hear?
Ma'am is writing in chat, ma'am.
Okay. X plus A into X plus B नहीं. यहाँ पे होगा X plus A into X minus B because you have a minus sign over here. Okay. So use this formula and find out. Okay, I'll write it over here. You have to use X plus A. You have to use the formula X plus A into X minus B. Okay. Mudabbir, what will be the answer if I write x plus a into x minus b? What is the formula? X square plus, then what will I write?
Plus a plus ab plus a plus bx.
A minus, it is a minus
Minus
sign.
bx.
a minus bx plus, sorry, it is a minus sign because plus a into minus b is minus. So it is minus ab. Okay. Okay, use this formula now and solve it. This don't take it as plus. Your question is a plus 15. So don't confuse ये वाला a और formula का a में, ठीक है? And a minus 7. So you have first term ka square. So first term is a square. Second term is this and this. So which is 15 minus 7x. And the third term is minus 15 into 7. Now find out the answer. Is it clear how I wrote this? According to this formula, using this we are solving it. So यहाँ पे x की जगह पे a है और a की जगह पे 15 and b की जगह पे 7. So you have to solve it like this. Okay, now give me the answer. What is 15 minus 7? Yeah, Farhana, what is 15 minus 7?
8.
8x. And what is 15 into 7? What is it? Is it okay?
Ma'am, 105.
Yeah. So now you understand how you have to solve these type of questions without multiplication. We are just using the formula and solving the equations. Okay. Previous chapter we did how to multiply two polynomials and find out the answer. Here we are using special product formula and we are solving it without using the without doing the multiplication. We just use the formulas. Okay. Sixth question. 5x minus 8 and 5x minus 6. Abdullah, which formula will use? 4 we have done. So which one will use? Both are minus and both are different. Only first term is same. So which formula are we going to use? These two are same and this one are different. Anyone knows which formula? Okay. Yes, correct. Saklin, you said correct. X minus A into X minus B. Yes. This formula we'll use now. Give me the answer then. X. Because X first term is same. So what is the formula? X minus A into X minus B. How did I tell you to remember it? First term is, what is the first term for Hana? X minus A into X minus B. What is the first term?
X square.
X square. What is the second term? Minus A and minus. So minus, take it out common and just add it. Minus A plus B into X. And the third term is minus into minus is plus. So this is your formula. Now use it in this. 5x minus 8 into 5x minus 6. Okay. Now you solve it. What will be the answer? Okay, let me, the time is getting over. I'll only solve. 5x is instead of x, so 5x का पूरा square and minus बाहर निकला 8 plus 6 into x and plus 8 into 6. So this is 25x square minus 14x plus 48. Okay. So this way you have to solve the questions. Next class we'll be doing exercise. And then I'll give you homework. Is it clear how to solve it? Okay, last two questions, write down in your notebook. Last two questions and do it. This is your homework. 7x minus 2a, everyone write down please. Abdullah, write it down. 7x minus 2a, 7x plus 3a. Which formula are we going to use? And then apply the formula. This is again the same formula, x minus a and x plus b. And this is 2x plus 5 and 3x plus 4. You don't have a formula for this. So you just have to multiply. Just multiply this. Last 2 questions, write it down. Written? Or you can take a screenshot also. Okay. Okay, so that's all for today. 4 formula, 4 identities we have learned. You have to remember the identity and you have to apply the identities when the questions are asked. Okay, so you have to see which identity we are going to use. Okay, so that's all for maths class today. We'll see you in science class again. Okay, bye everyone.